Right. So one challenge most students often face during the examinations is traversing through these binary tree diagrams through the different forms of traversals. Okay. So what I've just done in this video, I have okay, I'm planning to show you the quickest or shortest way to traverse through these binary trees. Okay. So before we use my trick, let us first use the old way. I'll choose in order, because in order is the one which you can prove yourself, because in order should sort the numbers in ascending order. Okay, so in order we follow the left parent node and right child node rule. Okay, so it means we prioritize the left node first. Okay, so if we prioritize the left node first, we have 12 here. Okay, and the node itself is 23, and we go to the left node again, we've got 52. Okay, and we go to the node itself, the parent node, which is 57, and we now go to the left node. Oh no, oh, this is the left child node. This is the node itself. Okay, and the node, right, and we write the node 64. Okay, and we go to the left node 65, and the parent node 98. Okay, I think that's all. All right, so you find that these numbers are now arranged in ascending order. But how can you actually do this in an easier manner? Okay, in an easier manner, let me show you this trick. Okay, so pre-order means that we do it once. In order, we do it twice. Post order 3 times. Let me show you what I mean by these terms. Okay, so we start with the node itself. Okay, we start with the node itself, but in order, we only take the number when we. Okay, let me just start with pre-order. Okay, we start with the node itself. So if we reach a number for the first time, we write it. Okay, so let me just in order. Okay, so we draw a line in order. Remember, the first time we reach a number, here we've reached 23 and we've reached 12. Let us write it 23, 12. Let's continue our line. Second time, third time. This is the first time we're reaching 64. So we add 64, 64, and we draw a line again. This is the first time we're seeing 57. This is the first time we're seeing 52. So let's write 57, 52, and we draw a line again. Second time. This is the first time we're reaching 98 and 65. We add it 98, 8 and 65. Okay, and we draw a line again. 64, 23. So all numbers are now covered. Okay, we're clear. So let's now do in order. For in order, okay, sorry, here we're doing pre-order. Pre-order, let's start for that. So now we're doing in order. In order. So if we're doing in order, it means that if we meet a number for the second term, that's when we write it only. Okay, we want to prove that it's equal to this which we wrote. Okay, so in order, we're reaching this number for the first time, we don't write it first time. But what we need to know first is that here there was supposed to be a left node, here there was supposed to be a right node, left node and right node, right node, left and right. Okay, so we are how should I describe it? Okay, so if both legs have been touched by the line, it means that we record it. Okay, if we have passed both lines, it means that we record it. We clear? So let's go. This is 1, 2. So we record 12. Okay, we record 12 and we come again. This is the second time we're meeting 23. So we record 23 and we come again. This is the first time we're seeing 64, so we don't write it. First time we're meeting 57, we don't write it. This is the first time we're meeting 52. This is the second time because we've crossed the second leg, so we write 52. 52. Do you get me? All right. Now we are coming again. This is the second time we're meeting 57, so we write 57. 57. Okay, and this is the second time we're seeing 64, so we write 64. Okay, and we go again. First time 98, first time 65, second time 65, so we write 65. Okay, and second time reaching 98, so we write 98. Okay, this is the third time reaching this, third time reaching this. So you see, we are done. Let's now prove that it is the same with what you got with manual way. 12, 12, 23, 23, 52, 52, 57, 57, 64, 64, 65, 65, 98, 98. Which way is easier for you? You choose your part. Okay, so let's now do the post order. The preliminary rule is to make sure that you put these imaginary legs. Okay, put these imaginary legs. So with post order, we have to pass the numbers at least 3 times. Okay, so of course we start with the node. This is the first time, this is the first, second, third. Oh, you will discover that this is just the same with the second with the in order. It's just a matter of both legs being crossed. Okay, so we record 12. This is now post order. Okay, we record 12. This is the second time we're reaching 23. The first time we're reaching 64, we don't record. First time reaching 57, we don't record. Here we are reaching 52, first leg, second leg, so we record. With the legs, it's just the same with in order. So we record 12, 52, and we cross again to this one, 57, because all legs have been attached now. we record 57. Okay, and we now come to 64. First leg is like we are reaching 1 2. This is the second time. Okay, the third time is when we come through here. Okay, so 98, this is the first time or the first leg. 65, one leg touched, two leg is touched, so we record 65. 65. Okay, and 98, there was supposed to be imaginary leg here, so both legs have been crossed, so we record 98. Let's go. 64, we reached 1 2 3. This is the third time now, so we record 64. Okay, and we come back to 23. 23 has been touched 1 2 and 3, and we record 23. So guys, which method was very short for you? You tell me in the comment section. I think this is the shortest way you can do this. Let's just prove it using the old boring way. Okay. For the pre-order traversal method, we said we first touch the parent node and the left child node and the right child node. The parent node is 23, the left is 12, and we don't have the right. So we go to the next node, because we said we are prioritizing the node first and left child node and the right child node. So the node is 23, the left is 12, we don't have any rights, so we go to the next node. Do you see? At the right subtree, the first node is the right subtree. Okay, and as you can see, 23, 12, 64. And we go to the left node, which is we'll go to the first node at the left side is 57, left child is 52. Okay, and we go again to the next node, which is 98, and the left child node 65. So proved in order. Remember, in order, you should sort your numbers in ascending order: 12, 23, 52, 57, 64, 65. Proved. And now post order. Post order, we say left child node, right child node, and the node itself. Okay, so the left child node is 12. Okay, and the right child node, we go to the right child node, we don't have it. Do you see? Then that means you are supposed to go to the uh, what should I say, the right subtree, and we choose the left child node. It's 52. Here we have, and we go to the right sub node. We don't have, but the node is 57. Right 57. Okay, and we go to the next left child node. Here is our node, our left child node 65. We write 65, and the node itself 98. Okay, and we go to the node itself of these ones 64. Node itself of these ones is 23. So proved. So you choose what's easy for you guys. I wish you the best in your examinations. Okay.